She can help Anthony, other people. I'll donate to people and because you can't help who wanna pick me them, bro. Brother message me, she look out for stranger more than I look out for your own. No, but I use this and then this and that for foreign. And he not paying the rent, you know. You freaking liar and he not paying the rent. Yeah, Anthony and Chrissy around, so I don't need my help again. I don't know if you freaking call me papa then. If one day if you hear that gutter ass lad. Yo, me shame me no youth, me shame no bumbo clad say I'm no mother. She didn't even know. No blood clot example you can't say. No, always it not about why me come back. Bro, there was a storm. I mean, no, we never did I go take the chance. I stayed down with me there. There was a storm. I have to make my baby mother hard up here and thing. Cause even right now the house blow down. The house blow down. Over there. The things them inside mash up. Want to reach back and watch it. When me there now, want to reach back there, fix up the place.
My phone,
the phone not in here, so. The phone not in here, so. I'm telling you something, bro. I'm telling you something. I realize say my mother don't really like me or me don't know or something, me don't know. Cause Mrs. Stranger come around and she deal with the stranger. She rather uplift stranger more than her own youth them. Her own people them. Me not talk about me alone. Me not talk about me alone. I'm telling you something now. The thing there with that car there. I don't say me bad mind about it, but I'm not bad mind, bro. Watch out, we get a piece of car ride, we get a piece of ride. And like you say, make your son get in look papers them as help your son. A stranger, me see help, you know. A stranger, me say she a help. Even with right now, my house blow down. Me things there, my furniture or something then get mashed up in my house. Me see she a go do, say she a go do a donation, which is nothing wrong with that. But come on, we all need help. Your family, your own surrounding need help. Even you yourself need help. And me no see she a do nothing about that. Maybe, probably, it's because she see the big content creator them like Swizzly and Rebel and Rate and Tay I do them look a donation or something. But come on, you can't manage that. Me know say she can't manage, you know, but she a run it down. She a run it down, bro, and she can't manage it. She herself need help. But people gonna be grateful still. People gonna be grateful same way. But same way, me there want help. Just I tell me there want help. Mother says I want help. She rather help people. So she go get help. Who she want help? Me can't tell her who fit help. Me can't tell her who fit help. You know she ain't gonna help me anyways. What do you we got one club. It's like our card decline. They say them a fall on something personal. For something personal. So she never have her ID or her passport or no. She said we give them my ID. We give the people in my ID for lamp until they get the money. When they get the money, we never get back my ID. So now, me no really have no card on them thing there. I usually Western Union me use on them weird. So me can't go Western Union again because them well on my ID. I know me can't get back my damn ID. I know me can't get back my ID. See cause she. Now, Chrissy having ID. TRN and everything. Me have them, you know, but she make them all on panic. Now me not have it again, say cause she. Now Chrissy have it, he can use Chrissy. So I make Chrissy drive them around. Anytime she want money now for draw on them thing there, he make Chrissy draw the money. But through me not having now, nobody no want me back at them. Me can't go get for do nothing. Me can't go get for trim and look like smaddy. Me stress out up here so me have to itch up in the house because nobody no want me back at them because I am not important. She run me out now. Just want to go and Me try nail up back the zinc, them will blow away one bag of me board them, whatever. Me nail them up back. Rather than did it. Me say, me try, you know. Me try yesterday, you know. Me walk, if you don't ever know where me dey. Me dey on one piece of highway, brother. Me dey on one piece of highway. Me walk one piece of highway, me reach, what you call that? Wow. Waterfield or something like that. Hopewell, near to Hopewell me reach. Reach near to Hopewell. Around about this one. How me think people woulda sorry for me and say, oh, see Chaka there from off a TikTok, oh, give him a look ride, even come in a van back or something, nothing. Me dip on the highway and rain wet me, rain dry me, sun dry me. Rain wet me, so sun dry me to grass. You could go no more. Could go no more. I'm reach on good. I'm reach on good. I'm reach on good distance. 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 So me reach, eh? Oh, I not open. How do you speak? Yeah, bro, I'm good, man. Chanel no rate me, you know. Chanel no rate me, you know. That not it. That never hard to see. When me blind, me could have see that. Chanel no rate me. Even yesterday when me attack the girl, well, it need a long time thing that still. You know, a 4 year now, me like, you know. 4 year. 4 year? Dep on my own. When you can't control people and use people, not deal with them, so bro. Now come on, call over me. Come. You alright? You be pin your paper. You don't have to give me no money, is it? You just want if you don't know nobody where they near the show, no, we can get a drive. And this guy OT. Would that be good? No, I don't have no money. If I have money, I would reach down long time. Yeah, money would reach down long time. I look so storm blue, I looks. Dog, stop weird part and click. Your life,
May I ask you, please? May I ask you kindly? Take your some of them and leave out here.
this one gone.
No, do it no.
Me there saw beg.
Do it no. No, you're
Yes,
not
I
beg.
do.
You disgrace your family. You disgrace your family because you're bad mind.
Bad mind for what?
You understand me?
What's the bad
You
mind
disgrace your own family. Me help you. Me help your kids. Me take up your baby mother. Me help your baby mother. And you come per line and call up your own family name. You always do that.
Call up a name, boy.
You always do that, TAJAY.
Call up a name,
You
boy.
always drag down your own family.
Drag
You
it
see
down,
me as
boy.
your mother? Your bad mind. You hate me. You see me? And I miss you when I put money in your pocket and put food in your belly. Me take in your baby mother. Me take in your kids and me make you wall out no good. Why you there in your supper line and call up a name?
Call up a name, boy, what? Me not call up a name.
Jagga, me ask you please. Go on. Me not, you know say me rather keep Chanel and the baby them? Me rather make Chanel and the baby them there more than you there. Me I tell you the truth.
Okay.
Cause you treat your baby mother like a piece of shit.
Okay.
Not even look, you don't want to look for your blood clot, pity them as a man.
So we not look
You
for them.
understand me? And you want to come jag down your own. Eh? Me take my money and me decide me want to give back to people. It don't have nothing to do with you.
You look for them.
Me take my
You
money.
look for my picnic them.
Where do you guys mean look for your pin them? Call
look
Chanel
for
now.
them.
Call Chanel now.
So
Call
me
Chanel
look
now.
for- if you look for my pity them,
me
me no
say
look for
call
my pity
Chanel
them.
now. Call Chanel now. It things that what people do for you, you can't talk about it. That's why God now bless you. There's a wicked blood
God
clot
always
boy.
bless me.
You understand
Me not have to wait for
me?
you to give me nothing. Me not have to wait for you to give me nothing. So we have to go
TAJAY, me as a no look for you forget nothing. TAJAY, say that with a straight face. TAJAY, say that with a straight face.
Me say me not have to wait for you to give me
You
nothing.
not look for me forget nothing. When me
not have to wait
already
for you to
give
give me
you.
nothing.
We live in a house where you don't even walk. And me make sure say you're good.
So you
Straight
think
to
so
the
work
start,
hard
me take
figure-
care of your pity them.
You think so
Before
work
that,
hard
I miss
figure-
you one do it.
You're hard
So
working,
what make you come
Here.
and try disgrace your
Remember
one
that.
family?
Remember say me the day in my work
Remember
when
say
you
what?
call me.
Remember say what? Who call
When
you?
you call me, me the
Call
day
away.
when I'm at work.
Call away.
Remember that.
Me ask you a question. When we call
Everybody
you
know that part.
Me ask you a question. When we call you here?
Everybody know that part.
When we call you here, TAJAY?
Try remember that.
TAJAY, when we call you here? TAJAY, you're a big man in the
Me care go and go take out the problems them for Anthony.
Hello,
Disrespect your
it don't have
father.
nothing to do with you. That has nothing to do with you.
That if you go do.
You understand? Just as how me help Anthony, me help you see your
Go
one.
and go take
Me
out.
help. Come war me over me things.
Why you
want to
over
war
what?
me over my own money.
Over
You
which
understand
money?
me? And that's your problem.
Which money?
What Chrissy do to you? What Chrissy do to you?
Chrissy no do nothing to me. Chrissy no do
So what
nothing
you
to
call
me.
a Chrissy name for?
What me I call up Chrissy
What you
name
call
for?
a Chrissy name for?
Me call up everybody near where you put over me.
You know realize
Everybody
you're
where you put
your
over
own
me.
family.
And you drag down
You
yourself.
ever get up on the side so you're trying to even help back nobody?
Everybody where you put over me, call their name. Everybody name me call.
Yeah, this
Call
time so
their
you come
name.
and try to help with give back to the people them. Oh, you got bad money
You
for
put
what people
stranger
take out
over
and want
me.
help people.
Remember that.
So you want the people the donation money? Or the donation money you want?
You don't want no donation
so
money.
So you watch people
Where
pocket for?
who for pocket
You
me I
even
watch?
come on live and try beg for yourself to help your blood clot.
So when me there to Sadu?
Eh?
When me there to
You ever try
Sadu?
to help your own self?
When me there
You
to
ever look for
Sadu?
me as a mother and give me for $10,000 to help with some groceries?
When me did I what me give you?
Me say you give
And that's why I'm not ungrateful. You're ungrateful.
Tajay, you don't even
blood
want to walk
clot.
to mind your blood clot picnic.
When me did I
You
what?
want judge them your
me
own
give you.
family. Me you not go cuss
Oh,
me
I know. So me ain't our mind me
Me and you
picnic.
no paying the rent.
I know me ain't
not
our mind me
that.
picnic.
Your parents in
So
here?
go on where you go,
You
yeah,
pay the
man.
bills?
Go on where you go,
Me
yeah?
say you pay me bills. You can't
You're not paying the rent, yes, sir.
What me by me not paying the rent, yes, sir?
The child tricky people, them. You're not paying the
No
rent.
man, them boy you wicked your foot. Tajay, are you own a family you play when you not drunk crap?
Brother, you are jar down yourself. And I bring down your own yourself.
Brother, come out of the house and me a pay for. Me sure you say me a pay bills, yes, sir. And me can do this, no you. And my daughter room this. I saw a personal room this one me pay for.
That's nice. Call me up for then.
Me no call you up here.
You call me up here.
Not in the life, me no call you up here.
We should have record
That's
you.
when me the hospital,
You
you
say
don't even know where I'm going with me.
You say Chrissy,
You're too blood
police
clot
call
lie.
Chrissy. And you need me help
You're
up
too
here.
lie.
And one bag of
You're
something.
too lie.
You're too friggin'
You're
lie,
a
man.
wicked blood clot boy.
You don't have to tell no lie, bro. And
When you're Chanel
me
now
not have to
agree,
tell lie.
when you're Chanel now agree, you run come up here. When you know I'm mind your baby, another time you run come up here.
Me pick them.
When you know want the Chanel no money, then the time you run come up here, I never call you. When me left out the hospital, that you look for me. A Chrissy blood clot help me when you're gone. Me no call you and beg you come here. So I tell nobody no lie for me. You're a liar blood clot boy.
A Chrissy help you, Aki walk help you.
Brother, me don't care what you want say. Me say come out and go on. And that me say.
Me never help you yet. Ungrateful.
Nobody no do you nothing, you know.
Brother, go on where you go.
You can't tell me that because you don't pay for it in here.
Come up, girl.
Six time up your blood clot, look for yourself, you want this and I want mind your picnic.
Go and take up back man where this.
That not nothing for blood clot do with that
Brother,
junk.
go on where you go, man. This great.
That not nothing for do with you. Oh, so since yesterday you don't get me car, not true. And you start cuss now you come from media.
Brother, we are talking about
Take up your blood clot and come out here.
Brother, me don't talk about you already.
So take your blood clot and come out here. And that me say.
Have nothing to do. This not have nothing to do with car.
I don't give a fuck.
So me
And
don't
since
think I
yesterday
give
you
a
start cussing because me say me not give you my car, we go pick up your goods. Did you say you could help and volunteer? No. You cock up in here like you're a hot boy.
So if me did
you get on phone and play a big game.
if me want to go in
Chanel
the
struggle with
town.
her baby them.
If me want to go in the
Chanel
town.
struggle with her baby them. You know what walk on mind your picnic. You know what help your baby mother with your one picnic.
That's true.
That's the problem. You don't even need want Chanel to come here.
If Chanel did that struggle,
You don't even need want Chanel to come here.
I saw Chanel run
Your
down
Bex
man
when time you say
we are
Chanel
struggle.
come here.
I saw Chanel run down man we are struggle.
Your Bex when time Chanel come here because you never did want Chanel come here.
me never want
you never
Chanel
did even
come
want
here,
your
I
one
would
picnic
come
come here. Come, get your things and me pay for this, not you. Not you, my love.
No problem.
Yes, leave.
See you yesterday.
I don't give a fuck.
Me try walk. Me try my best.
I don't give a fuck if you go walk or fly. I don't care. Me no business.
Rather fling you out a door and broke you up and I get no charge.
I don't give a fuck. Me send gun buy me current the generator. And me say me pay that enough. Yeah, me send gun get the gas. Forget for the generator. I don't need that. I need you to leave. Wingy up your bill and she uncomfortable with you, yeah. And me and Wingy make up and pay for it. Yes, go on. Please, me I beg you. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Nobody no do you nothing. You're too blood clad, wicked and ungrateful and lazy. You're lazy. You're lazy no blood clad. You sit down and play a game like you're a pitney. You're supposed to take care of your child.
Look here.
And help
Look here.
And help with your
Look here.
And help with your pitney them.
Me never see no now. Go on
gone.
TikTok, go big band. Go on TikTok, go big band. That's all.
Okay, and that you sit down and live off. And that you sit down and live off for your mama.
You're hard working.
That you do. Or you can come out.
Lazy way.
Boy,
I'm going to go to the pay your phone.
Oh, come, go along, my love. Come.
I feel me phone.
Come, me pay for this. Me pay for this. I rather make your baby mother stand here more than you. Me rather make your baby mother stay here with her babies more than you. You're a wicked blood clot boy. Well, you treat the girl like a piece of shit. You're ungrateful. That is what you is. Nobody not do you nothing. But you choose to drag down your family every chance you get.
Oh,
that is how you
I know you're on Chanel side.
You understand?
You on Chanel too.
Yeah. Your penny did alright through the storm.
Example.
Baby mother, everybody alright. If you come get money from buy your smoking and drinking, you never did have a problem, don't? But since you didn't want the car yesterday, me not give you the car. Me not give you the car yesterday, you start come trace me.
You never want the car yesterday, you want to go in there.
You come and come cuss me about Chrissy.
Never want to.
You have too much dirty mind in you. You're bad mind and you're bad mind, you want family.
Me fuck you and buy car for me.
Yes, come along. I'm here pay for this, not you. You're not going to trace me off in here. I'm me pay for it, not you. Your baby mother and the people there were alright. We don't want you here. And you don't give a fucking piece of it and go where we are. And you no matter. And you don't matter. Come on, come. You chat too much. You blood clot chat too much. Come on, you go. Come on, you chat too much, man. Left man.
Come like Anthony, I fly up in the area.
I don't give a fuck what you want to talk about Anthony, Cantoni. Yeah, Anthony didn't talk one night, yeah. You want to drink and play domino. It was not your problem. The problem was you want something from me.
If you bring
and because you want something from me and because I not give you. Move your blood clot and go. Chanel, me ask you a question. You did hungry through the storm? No, not only did in what, nothing through the storm. When you pay them amongst me, they don't get what me have. Me not take care of them, Chanel. This blood clot why you come try bring disgrace for me. Because he begged me yesterday for helping. Now yesterday the whole of this start. Just because he want the car.
Me
you come blood clot talk about Anthony.
Me want car yesterday.
Leave.
Come on, me change.
Me not come out. You not pay for yourself.
Me say come on, me change me clothes. Never take off the bumbo clot.
Come put your hand for me. Put your blood clot hand for me.
Me say come on, me change me clothes. Let me take off my bumbo clot clothes.
Put your hand for me. Mummy. Put your blood clot hand for me.
Yo, me no want to that bumbo clot to man. Because I get something wrong with it.
Because I like how you have blood clot. You wait, Shady.
Brother, go take out the strength pants for the years and come back when you want to study.
You think I like when you lay with Shady and one night in another?
Yeah, we Shady and which part of the other?
Brother, come out of me.
Brother, stop telling blood clot life for me. You're wicked all life. And I get the one that's on the pan. Yeah. Hey, girl, go suck your man and come out of me.
I saw you deal with
TAJAY,
the
come out of me life.
TAJAY,
It's a wicked girl.
TAJAY, talk.
You're wicked blood clot.
You're new shit. And that me I tell you, you will new.
Brother, stop, book. I am
No, you can't do nothing to TAJAY.
So when I touch him,
TAJAY, don't leave me that.
touch him. Me touch Zoe. Me touch him. What the fuck him I touch me for? What the fuck him I touch me for?
Mr. Liquor.
Brother, don't touch me. I'm going to
Come out here. Come out. You have to come out here.
Brother, come out, let me change me underpants.
Come out.
No, say me cocky.
Come out.
Come out.
You have to let out here.
What the bumbo clock doing? Everything turn around, you can't come bumbo clock.
Leave, man. Come, man. Left, man. Come, left. Come, brother. Come.
Bumbo clock, man. Man change my fucking underpants, we can't change my underpants. Just I come from a bumbo clock river, I can't change my underpants. Where fuck Zoe I touch me for? Where am I touch me for? I know me not touch Zoe. And Zoe I come hold on for me hand right there so. So me flash off me hand. Yo, them people are lying up, bro. Yo, I'm sorry say camera never up so you know, brother. When there's a blood clot liar than wicked, bro. You all out no brother, no set against me, bro. You all out no against me, bro.
Fuck you, come up here and make people like antagonizer. Eh? I see you treat your blood clot baby mother like a piece of shit and you pity them, you don't want to look bad. You never life and tell life on people.
If me never look for me bumbo clot pitney them, why me never run well long time? Why the fuck me never run well like some bumbo clot baby father? And something if me never look for me blood. Why the fuck me I do run them? If me never look for them, that don't make no fucking sense. Stop telling lie for me. There's a fucking wicked and liar and people stop give your phone bumbo clot internet.
Yeah, that's your problem. That's your problem. That's your problem.
It's a wicked bumbo clot woman. You're wicked the fuck.
That's your problem. Bad mind will kill you. You're too blood clot. Bad mind are wicked. Be a man.
But then I have nothing for me bumbo clot bad mind you find.
What me do for you to blood clot?
I catch people also.
You shouldn't do that. You're too blood clot wicked. Oh.
So I wonder the fuck with your bad mind you find.
The blood clot not a game. They don't phone and play. Instead you have a blood clot take care of pity them. Ungrateful boy. Eh? You're cussing me. All the blood clot the car you cuss over. I talk about Chrissy Wingy boyfriend. And that money when we say we not give the car yesterday. We say we have to pick up the things and give back the people them. Not even volunteer. You say you have a volunteer to help with. All you think about is yourself. You're selfish.
Brother,
you're a selfish
watch out
boy.
Watch out
that is
people.
Your problem.
As me say, yesterday.
Oh,
I'm going to a town.
You drink your plate down in
I'm going to a town. I'm going to a town, bro, to trim and look like somebody and get a little piece of money and something. None of them know want me back at them. But don't talk to nobody side. Me not have to go over this. You don't want to care, brother. Me tired of talk about this, brother. Me tired of talk about this, bro. Me tired of talk about this, bro.
Tell people them say you're going to dog or lay with your own a baby mother. You treat the girl like a piece of shit.
Make Chanel go talk that for this by himself. Stop telling lies for me.
You your baby mother, you picnic. You do blood clot evil for your man.
Make Chanel go talk that for life by himself. Talk about anything when you want to talk by himself. Stop telling lies for the girl, brother.
Because you have different woman. So the different woman where you have, you don't want the girl you saw with her picnic. Not even look, you don't want to look
where
at
woman there? Where woman there? You give me woman.
Clot wicked.
Yo, God.
Not even you want Chanel come here with the baby them to help your one picnic.
If me don't want them come here, they would come here, bro.
But you don't want to take care of your own blood clot picnic. Tell the people them the truth. Tell the people them the truth. But when Chanel get her money, you want friend up again.
Ask Chanel herself. If me not text her and tell her, say me want she if you come up here.
You can't argue with me over my blood clotting.
To what you lie? None of you lie they now go add up. Because we have evidence. Let me text Chanel and say Chanel me want you to come up here. Because it's time to come. It's a fucking lion, man.
The whole we don't want you, yeah.
Brother, we no business about to need.
So go along. Go
I
on the
don't
media.
business about
Chat anything when you want.
Chat, we don't care. I don't want to do. I what? Brother, we no business what no want, brother.
Let you want to put up fight. Eh? Put up fight to spots.
Brother,
blood clot and grateful back and belly, blood clot cutlass. I want to hear there, so eat and drink and play domino with everybody and laugh and kill your teeth.
So why if me eat and drink? Me not eat and drink like everybody else. What the fuck you talk about eat and drink? There's something really messed up about your mind, bro.
Eat and drink through the storm. You're comfortable through the storm. Not $1 you not pay. You eat, drink, pity.
Brother, if you did a pre that, bro, you should've given none then, brother. Right now, you better me vomit out everything to bumbo class.
Brother, Chanel they on our picnic more than you.
Yeah, your son, brother. I really, yo, some people, brother, you know, blame me gifters them, you.
The bad mind of blood clot. You ever come out and carry one bag of flour yesterday? You carry a bag of rice yesterday?
Uno say no want me back a uno. Lion woman, you say no want me back a uno. Because me not important. Just because me say me I go trim and look like smarty and get me money and get me deodorant them. And everybody have hygiene, brother. Me a man. Me a fucking man. Me a no little boy like Chrissy and them where I run up and down in a fucking house. Me a big man. None of you can walk over me, go suck, a whole of you go suck out to yourself. Nah, idiot, man.
Come, brother, come here.
None of you can walk over me. And that me I tell
I don't
you.
give a fuck.
November me born and me a bumbo clap band leader. And you can't just like walk over
your
me.
body wall and you chat too much.
None of you can walk over me. And that me I tell you.
You blood clot, wicked and ungrateful. You're evil and wicked, no blood clots. I saw your time.
You want to come style me. Even when me say me I go out the road, that's up. You can't use the car because police go hold you and this, that, and that. Oh, so all police now will, Chrissy. Cause me an idiot, me a clap it up, man. Me go work.
If you live in a one house and one bad mind, everybody in the house and watch people.
And then fuck
and
with
get
the bad
your
man.
phone.
You know
That's
about the
why
bad
you
man
sit
go,
down and
man.
play a game every day. Every day you sit down and play.
Never know say a bad man, we
Not
won't
even
play
your
for
phone
me
and play
phone.
them you look pan.
And that's say did I beg me a play
You sit
too.
down and you play a game every day.
And
Not
that's say
even
did I beg me
online
a
you
play
know.
too.
And I like say you help me as your mother. See your brother and sister them, they run up and down and we come together and we make it work.
Chrissy, I help you, Anthony, I help you.
Eh? You sit down, you eat your drink, that you will be, look here, in your room smell blood clot, mole in a bumbo clot. Eh?
You don't want this a certain way, no, man.
What are you doing?
God sitting
Not
in
even help
you.
you want help out blood clot poor Chanel. Talk the truth now all your time. Eh?
God see I know you. What how wicked you do, you know, and this a certain way, you know, man.
Anthony this, Anthony that. Anthony was not your blood clot problem. Your problem yesterday when you don't get the car. You go do what you want to do. And can we say Christian driveway. Go do what I go pick up the donation.
When they chop up a bumbo clot piece of house up there, so. Me not tell you so to make Anthony come round here. Woman, me no want you about Anthony.
You have your money.
Yeah, I don't talk to Anthony for phone. When me tell you, say.
I don't give a fuck where you come out of my house.
I still do it, no. You don't listen to your own opinion them. You soon get fucked, man. You say you soon get fucked, man.
Me sure me not fuck you drunk.
Anthony, you fuck, you soon get
come
fucked.
Come out of my house.
Come
out of my house. I don't care where you want to tell people about social media. Take your fuck out of this and you're not paying.
Brother, that's all you can depend on, you know, take the fuck out and got the fuck out, you know.
Yes, of course.
That's all you can talk about, man. Soon get the fuck out. Go on with your own, man.
Look on blood clot, yo. Run go take up blood clot.
Look on blood clot, you. The people they fly down and take back their house.
Eh? So me don't say that you want. The people that take back their house, not true, because you're bad mind. People that take back their house, not true. Because you're bad mind, you own a family. You own. You own. You have fight against. Look on you. Look on blood clot, you too. So wait.
Me say me all green to bumbo clot. Me all green. Me nah no roots them, brother. Sick lad. No know what kind of bumbo clot life this me a live, brother. Brother, not even I told me can't go get me on a roll on because me no important. Because me no fucking important, bro.
You should have shamed for chat say you agreed. Also, I look a piece of ID you want to carry your torn from. At boy. At boy, you can't walk by a roll on.
Brother, me not even want nobody for bumbo clot to me. But let's me a drive it.
You want this no blood clot.
Go fix up your own car that if you go blood clot, you want to pay that go
like you talking about your green.
Nobody run down your piece of bumbo clot, Hardy, man.
Because you can't go in the tongue.
Hardy come like you have bumbo clot asthma. Yes, say Hardy have asthma.
Me I'm green. Eh?
Yeah, they have asthma, woman, go fix up your bumbo clat, Hardy.
Like you.
Yeah, tell boy, Hardy, your pussy clat. You think nobody want bad mind over a bumbo clat piece of Hardy? You see TikTok don't rev out, TikTok police rev out that bumbo clat and crash turn that and burn up it.
I still want rev it out, not true.
Rev out where?
And I eat make you
rev out where? Simple thing me say yesterday. Carry me back out and make me get to buy me bumbo clat thing them, bro. And a bad mind, what the fuck can a bad mind? Through me I get one little piece of money, bro. Figure deal with me fucking self.
I didn't want to add if you pick up your money. I don't get it. So you come and start cuss off.
Brother, me say carry me back out. Uno say no. It's not important. Don't want this space in the car.
Yes, you put routine the things if you give back to people, they move your blood clot, you're not important now. What important if you give back to the people, them, not blood clot you.
Yes, sir, give
walk
them
your
now,
blood clot foot, go buy your roller man, go trim your blood clot here, that must say. If I that a kill you, I don't care. I don't give a damn. Walk your blood clot foot.
When you will live to see me better here.
Pick up the goods them, give back to
promise
people,
you
them,
that.
and that me the pan.
You will live to see me better.
Your ear cut and your arm were green. You know blood
That me I
clot
tell
foot,
you.
you know
God
money
not
on taxi.
asleep. You will
You
live
know
to
money
see
on
me better.
taxi.
Me
You
promise
know
you
money
know
on
that.
taxi. Go promise yourself a job. Go
You
promise
never
yourself
saw
to
now
treat
work
your
from the
baby
day you
mother
no
gold.
born, you never work.
Go promise to treat your baby mother gold.
I will last you
Go
work
promise to
from
treat your baby mother
2019.
gold.
From
You
2019.
wicked blood
Eh?
clot, you.
When last you work? From 2019.
Me no say that. You wanna win no save them for life. I got into me case and click life you win.
I be want to work a man, me go.
Eh? You pay bills in it?
If me want to go work a man, me can't go work a blood clot man.
$50 you beg for life. Not even $100 for help give back your mama and say, mommy help put in little grocery. Or mommy help pay the bills. Nothing you do. Make them know. I give you a play on your phone. The whole day like you're Pitney. Yeah, when Chanel get her money, she fool and take her money give you. Who was Chanel?
Chanel have money for bumbo clot, give me.
And Chanel money your blood clot run for go trim out her. Eh? Talk the truth now. But you treat the girl
Chanel
like
have
a
money
piece
for
of
give me.
shit.
Chanel have money for
You
give me.
wicked piece of shit, yo. Look for you.
Yo.
I rather run out your blood clot and Chanel can in here. I rather you go and Chanel stay with the two babies. Yeah, go find your own blood clot piece. I rather you live up and go. Yeah, make the family stay so. A blood clot run from click life for your mother. A click life for your own mother.
Yes, sir, big figure there. They are running out to figure there. You must come big.
And the same mother can you not get where you
You
want
must come bumbo clot big like how you
can't bring
can
me
big.
down, brother. Remember me tell you, you can't try left, right, and center. Me never hide it a blood class and told it about you, so. So you can't bring me down and anything you want to do, me do.
Tell the blood clot people them about Anthony they up on
You
it.
can't take that from me.
The same night Anthony come here in a room you see.
Go and click a job and take your blood clot pin your baby mother.
Always up take care of them. Always. I mean I got bumbo clot stop too. Me not give a fuck when nobody wants to. Me I go stop cause I call like me nah do nothing.
You pay bills, you say you
Call like me nah do nothing bro.
You chat too much better.
No matter what me bumbo clot do, you call like nothing me nah do. So better me talk. Better me be like some bumbo clot. Baby father run left them bumbo clot pick me. And you know then fear they start try and I take bad bumbo clot name. This don't make no fucking sense bro.
Shouldn't make him come up here, man. I tell you, man. Shouldn't make him come
Like
up
that
here.
girl they call me blood clot for the mother me tell him about.
Right? Of course, him a go beat Chanel. Any of Chanel go with him, a go beat up Chanel. Any
Me
of
stop
Chanel
put
go
my
with him,
hand
a go
on
beat
Chanel
up
long
some
time.
blood
Brother, I
clot.
no top tell lie for me no brother.
Make him what?
One girl can love beating so. Where girl that turn round me for if me a beat him for bro. Stop tell lie for me man. No lie so me can't even lie one more time to bumbo clot. Clot. Clot.
You're sick in your head, TAJAY.